Do you want to disable and turn off YouTube Shorts? How remove YouTube Shorts from YouTube feeds? Actually, there is no direct option to disable Shorts video within YouTube. So in this video I will show you how disable and turn off Shorts on YouTube app. So let's get started. Open YouTube app and tap on Avatar. Now choose the settings. Tap on the General option. Now tap on Playback Feeds and select Off. Now go back to YouTube Short section. First click the vertical 3 dots in the upper right corner of your home feed's YouTube Shorts and click on Not Interested. You will have to do this step again for each video in this section, that's all. Now close YouTube app and open it again. The YouTube Shorts should be removed and no longer show up, so this is the easy step to disable and turn off YouTube Shorts. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel to get more update video. Thank you for watching.